Hey food lovers, welcome back to Kelvin's Kitchen. Today we're cooking up a dish that's so buttery and garlicky you'll want to eat the whole thing yourself. It's lemon garlic butter swai, perfect for when you want something delicious but don't want to spend all day in the kitchen. Ready to dive in? Let's get started. First things first, let's preheat our oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. We're using frozen swai fillets today, so this higher temperature helps everything cook evenly and quickly. If you're using fresh fillets instead, you can drop the temperature to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and cut down the cooking time a bit. More on that later. Now, grab a large baking dish and lay out 2 pounds of frozen swai fillets. Spread them out in a single layer, no fish pileups here. We want each fillet to get its moment in the buttery spotlight. Next, let's make some magic. Melt 6 tablespoons of butter. You can do this in the microwave, just don't forget it in there like I do sometimes. Pour that melted goodness into a bowl and add 6 cloves of minced garlic. Give it a good stir. Then, squeeze in the juice of 2 lemons. If a seed jumps in, consider it a surprise crunch. Add a pinch of salt and a dash of pepper. Mix it all together and voila, you've got your garlic butter magic. Now, pour that garlic butter mixture evenly over the swai fillets. Don't be shy. Make sure every piece gets some love. Cover the baking dish with aluminum foil. This helps steam the fish, making it tender and flaky. Pop it into your preheated oven and let it bake for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, carefully remove the foil. Watch out for the steam. It's like opening a spa for your face. Put the dish back in the oven uncovered for another 10 to 15 minutes. You'll know it's done when the fish is opaque and flakes easily with a fork. Now, if you're using fresh fillets, you'd bake it at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 to 20 minutes covered, then uncover and bake for an additional 5 to 10 minutes. Fresh fillets cook faster, so keep an eye on them. Once your fish is perfectly cooked, pull it out of the oven and sprinkle some freshly chopped parsley on top. This adds a pop of color and makes you look like a culinary genius. Serve your lemon garlic butter swai with your favorite sides, maybe some steamed veggies or a light salad. Or just eat it straight out of the baking dish. No judgment here. And there you have it, lemon garlic butter swai that's easy, delicious, and just a little bit fancy. Remember, for the full written recipe, head over to kelvinskitchen.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a tasty recipe. Stay fabulous, foodies. See you next time on Kelvin's Kitchen. Bye.